The Human Rights Education Program at Amnesty International India celebrated Human Rights Month from November 14th, which is Children's Day, to December 10th, which is celebrated as Human Rights Day. Students were invited to create art installations based on human rights themes, which would then be displayed as an exhibition on MG Road.
Rita Dhruv from Cathedral High School, Bangalore. It's been a wonderful experience with Amnesty International. We always reinforce this fact in school that we are all equal. This is brought about vividly in your various activities, and I'm really happy to be collaborating with you guys.
6 art installations were created by over 350 students with the support of student volunteers from the Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad. These installations capture the children's expression of what human rights mean as part of their daily school life. The art installations were displayed on MG Road Boulevard entitled Hands Up for Change.
Hi, I'm Anand from Chitrakala Parishad. I'm doing my specialization in sculpture. I'm in the final year and I'm here working with Amnesty for Human Rights, and I'm into the event called Hands Up for Change. So we are working with Amnesty and we have put up our installations which we work with the students of several schools. And you can see all the 6 installations have been put up here, and I've worked with almost 4 schools here. Basically we approached the schools and with the help of Amnesty, and then we actually worked with the students, we interacted with them, and then we came up with a plan and we made them work with that so that they could get compromised with the work. So then they started, we felt enthusiastic working with them. So then they are fine with the working and we just started the work, and they just helped us, and somehow it was done very successfully, and now you can see it's been installed here. So it's very good experience actually. Just love working with kids actually. It's really fun. Thanks for Amnesty.
Visitors were invited to show their support to the Human Rights Education Program by participating in some activities at the venue.
I'm Sharda. I'm from Whitefield Inner Circle. My kids saw this exhibition from on the way passing, so they wanted to have a look and they wanted to come in. So we just came. My husband is waiting in the car over there. We just came. Yes. Yeah. Actually, it's quite good. I have come through each and every exhibition. They have said about what it's regarding and how they are doing, what is it portrays and everything. It has wealth of meaning, which we should encourage more and more people and kids to know about it, learn about it, so that they will also come to know how important the issue is and what change they can introduce into the society.